So my days in Zimbabwe are now officially numbered. I'm leaving soon, so I've started getting ready. I'm currently looking for rats and placemats. I've searched high and low for them, guys, and they're nowhere to be found. No exaggeration. I've been to Granite Side. I've been to a few home decor shops around Harare, and still nothing. So my mom came up with this brilliant idea to try get them made. So we went to Mount Pleasant, Bond Street, because there's some guys there that make stuff, but they said they won't be able to work within my timeline. If it's your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. My name is Nicole and I share Christian lifestyle content from a homemaking lens. And if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, please do subscribe. I'd love to have you here and grow this community together. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here again. Your support really means a lot to me, more than you probably know. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to leave a comment at the end, not right now, at the end when you're done watching. One of my goals for 2026 is to grow this channel to 20,000 subscribers, and your engagement really helps YouTube push the video to more people. So thank you so much for helping. From Mount Pleasant, we went to the shops at Belgravia. There's some guys who also make this basket type of stuff behind the shops opposite the sports club, but I didn't really like the workmanship of what they had, so I decided to just let it go. At this point, I'm just giving up. While we were here, I went into the grocery store and I picked up a few items. I'm not one of those people that will go all out and buy mazoe, maputi, and like go the whole 9 yards. I'm not big on snacks. I did want to get biscuits and cereal for my husband because he's more of a snacker. I'm more like into soups, spices, upu, just like everyday cooking items that I can find at a cheaper price. At this point, we were hungry, so just got some takeout, and ice cream is always a good idea, obviously. It's been so hot in Harare and definitely needed the ice cream to cool down. Bill 2.57. Thank you. I'm trying my best to not complain about the sun and the heat because I know very soon I'm gonna be in the extreme opposite end of like these weather conditions. My husband was just telling me this morning that Toronto is minus 11 degrees, and I'm like, what? I'm not ready. Since we were in Belgravia, my mom suggested we check Avondale Flea Market for the mats. So we passed through and checked. According to the guy who kumbara and Flamengo, they call it I'm still looking for those mats. I'm now in Avondale. I saw a few interesting options here, but not exactly what I'm looking for. I just want something simple and elegant, not something that's overbearing, that's doing the most. The amount of effort I've put into looking for these mats in Harare doesn't even equate to the amount of savings I was going to make by buying them here and adding them to my luggage. But I guess it was just a big, happy adventure. I think the main reason I hadn't bought them in Toronto is I feel like they're so overpriced. Same as anything that's like basket material. So like the storage containers, anything from basket like is definitely overpriced there. Like when we went to Bond Street, the man was selling these beautiful laundry baskets for $18. I've seen something similar in HomeSense for $40. But at this point, I'll just have to get my mats in Toronto, no choice. I'm having dinner with my dad at Capoto. I've really been enjoying eating traditional food during this trip. I have no interest at all in going to a restaurant, ordering mashed potato, ordering a pasta. I eat that all the time. I know it's not the same. I think we've already established in my previous vlogs that food in Zimbabwe is premium. Like, food in Zimbabwe is a 10 over 10. It tastes significantly better than food in the Western world. Like, I've been to restaurants in the US, I've been to restaurants in Canada, and like food in Zimbabwe just doesn't compare. But still, I just want to eat like traditional Zimbabwean food because that's food that I won't normally eat. I had sadza rezviyo. That's my favorite sadza, by the way. Nenyeve and rinyanza. And oh my gosh, the food was a 10. I also had some of my dad's oxtail, and that was really good as well. Back home, and my mom is helping me pack. We joke around and say my mom has a PhD in pachyology, but that's because she can make your stuff fit anywhere. Like, no matter how much amount of stuff you have, she will make it fit in the space you want it to fit. But my only issue here is the weight. I'm flying Ethiopian economy, and so I only have two pieces of 23 kgs each. And for the amount of things I have, that's really little. I'm not even taking back a lot of the things I brought. I'm giving most of my clothing items away, but still, like, my weight is stressing me. God bless my mom because I didn't even ask her to pack. I just found her on the floor trying to fit my things in. She also gave me her suitcase because if you watched my preparing to travel to Zim vlog, I spoke about how I don't typically travel with suitcases. I use bags because you can carry more in terms of weight. But I needed a suitcase because I'm trying to carry China and some delicate items, so I need some sort of shield or protection. So we were able to pack one bag, and I'm so glad she did that because now I have an idea of where I stand with like the one bag and the things packed, and then I can make a plan for the remaining bag and the remaining things I have. I also have the option to purchase additional kgs, but we'll see how that goes. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, for being here and doing life along me this season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you for watching.